Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the lower rack on your dishwasher, and it's a really easy job and you won't need any tools. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we'll start by opening the dishwasher door. We're going to remove that lower rack, take all the items out of it. We are going to save the cutlery basket. We'll set that aside, and then we can discard the old rack. To install our new one, we just need to make sure that all of the wheels are straight and haven't been damaged in shipping. We can set it directly on the door. We'll place the cutlery basket in, reload the rack, and our repair is complete. I told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.